In this video, I will show you how to set a limit order on Kraken. To do this, what you want to actually go and do is click in the top right and go to Kraken Pro. That's just connected to your normal Kraken account. It just looks a little bit different and you will get some extra features such as more order types. So from here, what you can do is just search for a market. So if you want to buy some Bitcoin, for example, just type BTC and then here go with the one you want. For me, BTC Euro is the one I'll select. And from there, set it to buy, and then you can set it to limit right here in the top right. So that's a limit order. You can also do a stop loss limit. You can sell with a limit. You can also turn on or off margin. So whichever one you want to do. And then here you can use the slider to decide how much of your free cash you want to buy this with. So just do however much you want. And from there, you can also see your portfolio leverage. And then you can also add take profit and stop loss right here if you want. And then just click buy, in this case Bitcoin with Euro, and that essentially means that you have now placed in a limit order on Kraken. So now you know how to do a limit order on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.